HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on that device, and let me show you how to bypass the fingerprint, pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following phone. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the operation. Wait until your device will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together those two keys for a couple of seconds, power key and volume up. Keep holding both keys. Let's keep holding both keys until you see the HUAWEI recovery mode. Excellent. Now here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So let's scroll down and let's choose here the wipe data factory reset. Press power key to confirm it. So here you need to enter the word yes. Let me tap it. And now let's choose wipe data factory reset again. Press power key to choose it. So if you are logged into a Google account, you will need to enter the Google password. After the hard reset operation, you have to be aware of this. And now let's scroll down and let's choose wipe data factory reset again. Press power key to confirm it. That's it, the device is performing the hard reset, the phone is erasing all personal stuff, customized settings and also the passwords. So let's just wait until the operation will be done. And now as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up, let's choose reboot system now and press power key to choose it. That's it, the device is restarting and booting into a welcome panel. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.